jingle bells, jingle all the way. Drive on in with confidence, we're here to help today. Jingle bells, smiles along the way. Peace of mind and friendly service, a super service every day. Welcome to Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shop, serving Southern California with care. Across Orange County, Riverside County, and Los Angeles County, we're always there. From Placentia, Super Service to Super Service of Alice Viejo. From Super Service of Pomona Valley to Super Service of Corona Hills, welcome home. We make it easy to do business with us. Honest answers, helpful hearts, auto and fleet repair you can trust from the very start. Jingle bells, happy holidays. Thank you for your trust and your smiles along the way. Jingle bells, safe travels near and far. From Team Super Service to you, Merry Christmas, wherever you are.